Start by dropping the glove box down, and then you can see on the sides here, there will be some tabs that you have to press in while you pull down on the glove box to make it clear the side. Do this on both sides. With those pieces out, you can pull straight out on it, and you can just let it drop down like this. It's still held on by the shock absorber cable there. With the glove box out, you can see this little door here. That's the cabin air filter. Pop this off, has a couple clips. Let's put on the little door. Make sure it clicks on. Reattach it on the bottom first. And push it up. There you go.